Hey there, you floor cleaning rock stars. Today we're diving into the incredible world of email marketing, specifically for the floor cleaning industry. So buckle up because we're about to unveil the secrets to nurturing leads and skyrocketing your customer retention. Let's go. In case you haven't heard of me, my name's John Williams and my company AGB gets floor cleaning businesses such as carpet cleaners booked out with jobs using our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to help you guys be more successful, be it through our specialist program or through this YouTube channel. So let's dive right in. The importance of building an email list. First things first, let's talk about the backbone of email marketing, your email list. This list is like a gold mine because it's filled with potential and existing clients just waiting to hear from you. But why is an email list so crucial? Well, let me tell you. It's your direct line of communication to stay connected with clients, promote special offers, and ultimately grow your business. Plus, it's cost effective and has a killer ROI. Crafting compelling newsletters. Now that you know why an email list is a must-have, let's discuss creating irresistible newsletters. Your newsletter is like a charm offensive to woo your clients, and to make them fall in love with your content, you'll need 3 essential ingredients. Valuable tips. Share insider knowledge on carpet maintenance, stain removal, and more. Your clients will appreciate the value you bring to their inbox. Engaging stories. Get personal and share stories about your business or team members. This helps to humanize your brand and create a connection with your audience. Irresistible offers. Sweeten the deal with exclusive discounts or special packages. Your clients won't be able to resist booking your services. Targeted campaigns for nurturing leads. All right, folks, it's time to take your email marketing to the next level of targeted campaigns. By segmenting your email list, you can send laser-focused content to potential and existing clients based on their unique needs. For example, new lead campaign. Send a warm welcome email to new subscribers with a special discount or a promotion to entice them to book your services. Seasonal reminders. As seasons change, remind clients it's time for a professional carpet cleaning. Bonus points for throwing in a seasonal offer. Re-engagement campaign. Got some clients who haven't booked in a while? Win them back with a "We Miss You" email featuring an irresistible offer. Boosting customer retention. Finally, let's talk about the holy grail of email marketing, customer retention. Here's how you can use your emails to keep your clients coming back for more. Post-service follow-up. After a carpet cleaning job, send a personalized thank you email and ask for feedback. This shows you care and helps build long-lasting relationships. Regular check-ins. Stay connected with your clients by sending periodic emails with helpful tips or special offers. Celebrate milestones. Send birthday or anniversary emails to your clients with special promotions. They'll feel valued and be more likely to book your services. And that's a wrap, my floor cleaning friends. By leveraging the power of email marketing, you can nurture leads, boost customer retention, and ultimately grow your carpet cleaning empire. So what are you waiting for? Get started today and watch your business soar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like and the subscribe button to our channel for more amazing floor cleaning tips. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our specialist program, then head to the description below for the link to the website. See you in the next video.